Today we're taking a closer look at the Yohirs Intel Xeon Mini PC, a compact workstation built for gamers, creators, and professionals who need powerful performance in a small form factor. This machine is powered by Intel's Coffee Lake Xeon processors, including the W1085M and other high-end Xeon variants, delivering strong multi-core performance for heavy workloads, online gaming, virtualization, and productivity. The system supports up to 64 gigabytes of DDR4 SATA memory, including ECC options for improved stability. For storage, you get two M.2 NVMe PCIe 3.0x 4 slots plus a 2.5-inch SATA bay, giving you plenty of high-speed expansion for games, software, and large files. For visuals, the Mini PC supports dual 4K displays at 60 Hz through HDMI 2.0 and DisplayPort, and includes HDR support for enhanced image quality. Connectivity is impressive, with dual LAN ports, a 2.5G high-speed port, and an Intel Gigabit LAN, plus dual-band AC/AX Wi-Fi and Bluetooth. The chassis is made from brushed aluminum alloy with a built-in silent copper cooling system, ensuring stable performance even under long workloads. The device also supports TPM 2.0, RS485, VEX, PXE boot, RDC, auto power on, and other enterprise features.